Oh, what a beautiful spring day! It's great to be back here in the Northeast. Florida sucks! Oh, what's that? That window has one of those trays where they set out seed for the birds. Being a bird rocks. Oh, Jesus Christ! Fuck! Why do people do that? Oh, okay. Here, kitty. Come here. Come here. Come get me. I'm over here. Come here. Got his ass. God, Jesus Christ!
Got his ass. He thought I left. Now only I could open glass shield. Human! Hey, human! Open shield. Why would you put this bird feeder here to attract bird, but then put a glass shield in between us? Oh, what's that? Is that some sort of birdie toy on a stick? I'm not falling for that.
Oh, finally! Oh, I'm so hungry.
I'm back.
Oh, yeah! God, why does this keep happening? I'm so hungry. All they had to eat in Florida was Chick-fil-A, and I don't eat there out of principle. Also, because they serve birds. Wait, I know. Let's see. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh, can you get it? Get the spot. Get the laser. Catch it, kitty. Get out of here. Go get it. Go. Ah, dude, the human's coming. Damn it.
Human, what is your end game with this bird feeder? You know, what if I were to lure Pilates on the other side of glass shield? I wouldn't let you have it. I don't know what Pilates is, but she sure talks about it a lot.
No, Christy, I told you need to break up with him. Hey, bad boy. No, Christy, not your boyfriend. My cat, I don't know, sees a bird or something in the window.
What kind of sick game is this? You put out birdseed to lure the birds for your cat's sick pleasure, and then you come to watch?
Oh, God, his breath smells like fish, and I think his anal glands need to be expressed. No, Christy, not my cat. This time I was talking about you. Chad smells, no offense.
Oh, thank God. Oh, it's time for bird. Oh, Jesus Christ, there's two of them! There's two of them! Oh, God, why does this keep happening? Shoo! Go away! Shoo! Shoo, get out of here! Get out of here!
No. You try to open glass shield, and I'll kick this little mouse toy with my back leg.
Oh my God, Christy, he's back! Oh, you're here. What do you mean, who? The hot neighbor I was telling you about. Yes, the lawyer guy.
Oh, gosh.
Do you think he can see me in the window? Oh, maybe I should try to do something sexy.
Is that human trying to seduce me?
Oh, no, you know what? Scratch that. I should just act casual. What was I thinking? Oh, my goodness.
To kill a mockingbird. Oh, no.
If only this damn window wasn't here, I would eat bird.
Oh, if only damn glass shield weren't here, I wouldn't have run into this tree.
If this damn window wasn't here, I could wave to the hot lawyer guy. Oh, wait. Hi. Oh, my God, Christy, wave back. The hot lawyer guy, wave back.
Oh wait, I can fly.
Damn it! Third time this week.
You know, I think the birds live on this side of the glass shield.
You're Robert, right? I've been watching you for a few weeks. Not in a creepy way. Just when you're, cooking or watching TV or trimming your bush.
What?
How do I open glass shields?